Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to select your Python interpreter inside of Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, we'll start with basics. So how we get Visual Studio Code, it is pretty simple. Go to your browser, URL section, and search for Visual Studio Code. Here you will find this website, which is code.visualstudio.com. So open it, and from here guys, it's simply add download for Windows, or here you can choose Mac OS or Linux. It depends on your system. After that, you will start with the process of installing it. So click on install, next. Choose the languages that you need to be using here, now, in the future, and then you will have to create an account and log in into it, and you will be ready to start coding. After that, guys, if you had any problem, you can just leave these questions in the comment section. Now, how we can actually select our Python interpreter? So all we need to do is first, if you didn't install the Python language through your installation process, you just have to go here to the extensions and search for Python, which is a pretty simple method. And after that guys, make sure that you have installed it also on your Windows from Microsoft Store, Python 3.10, and make sure that everything is settled out. Now, after we open our file, all we need to do, so let's create a new file. How to create a Python file? It is pretty simple. New file, and here you choose Python file, and just like so you have created your file. Now here what you need to do is pretty simple. Click here, command palette, and now Python interpreter setting. So here we go, select interpreter, and here we'll find every single option of interpreter that you have in your PC, so you can choose whatever one you want to use from these. Of course, you can enter like an interpreter path of your own, or you can edit it or remove or change. So for me, I have only one, that's why there is only like one in here. But for you guys, if you have any other one, they will be showing up in here as well. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.